We guide you through how to use Xoom Money Transfer. First, sign into your Xoom account or create one if you're a new user. Tap Send Money, then choose the country where you are sending funds. Enter the amount and Xoom will automatically show the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the amount your receipt will receive. Next, select how your recipient will get the money, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or home delivery if available in their country. Enter your recipient's details carefully, then choose your payment method such as bank account, debit card, or credit card. Review all the transfer details to make sure everything is correct before confirming the payment. Once your transfer is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation and a tracking number so you can monitor the status of your transaction. Delivery times vary depending on the destination and payment method, but many transfers are completed within a minutes.